Welcome to our broadcast. In this particular broadcast, we'll solve the 2016 October-November exam question on earth geometry. Remember, we've been doing revisions on earth geometry. So the points A, B, C, and D are on the surface of the earth. So these points A, B, C, and D, we are told are on the surface of the earth. Take pi as 3.142 and the radius of the earth as 3437 nautical miles. Question A, find the difference in latitude between point C and D. Between point C and B. So we have C, then we have B. We are finding the difference in latitude. So on which latitude is B? So B is on latitude 50 degrees north, then C is on latitude 70 degrees south. So north and south are different poles. So different poles you add, same poles you subtract. So the answer for A will be 50 degrees plus 70 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. Okay, so we have that as our difference in latitude between C and B. Let's go to question B. We are told calculate the length of the circle of latitude 50 degrees north in nautical miles. Okay, the length of the circle of latitude is the same as being asked to calculate the circumference or the perimeter of the circle, which is circumference. Okay, so you must recall that circumference is equal to 2 pi r in mensuration. We've done mensuration, so circumference is 2 pi r. But in earth geometry, r, which is the radius of circle of latitude, is equal to radius of the earth times cos x degrees. So we'll substitute we'll substitute r cos x where there's r in the formula for circumference, in this formula for circumference. So this implies to circumference is equal to 2 pi, where there's r, we'll substitute this, which is r cos x degrees. Okay, so this is the formula for circumference, finding the circumference of circle of latitude. So circumference is equal to 2 times pi. Our pi is 3.142 times radius of circle of latitude, or radius of earth. Radius of earth is 3437 nautical miles times cos x is the latitude, and we've been given the latitude, which is 50 degrees. So circumference is equal to, you multiply these, they give you 13,884.21, which we can round off to, circumference is equal to 13,900 nautical miles. Okay, so that is our circumference. Let's go to question C. Question C says, find the distance AD in nautical miles. The distance AD. Okay, so AD, very simple. This is distance along the latitude, or along the longitude, sorry. AD is distance along the longitude, and since it is in nautical miles, we can simply use that formula. 1 degree is equal to 60 nautical miles. So it is distance AD. A is on, so let's find the theta. A is on latitude 50 degrees north, 50 degrees north, and then D is on latitude 70 degrees south. So north and south will add because they are different. Poles. So 50 plus 70. What is 5 plus 7? That's 12, so it'll be 120 degrees, okay? So coming back to this, we'll say 1 degree is equal to 60 nautical miles. What about 120 degrees is equal to x? You cross multiply, x is equal to 60 nautical miles times 120. Then x is equal to 60 plus 120 will give us 7,200 nautical miles. So we can make a conclusion, therefore, AD is equal to 7,200 nautical miles. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for our revisions on Earth geometry. If you have any questions, you can contact us and we'll be more than glad to help you because that is why we are there. Shalom.